When it comes to project management tools for marketing teams, two options often come up: Monday.com and Workzone. But which one is truly the best for your needs? Well, after testing both of them myself, I'll share some insights, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one might be more effective for your marketing team, or if there's an even better option out there. Let's dive right into it. First up, Monday.com is widely recognized for its user-friendly interface. It's intuitive, so you won't spend ages getting your team up to speed. But while it's easy to use, its strength lies in its flexibility. Whether you're managing content calendars, tracking social media campaigns, or handling larger project timelines, Monday.com can be tailored to fit most marketing workflows. The visual boards are simple, but can get cluttered when managing more complex campaigns. It's great for keeping things in one place, but don't expect deep customization unless you're willing to put in the work. Next thing, let's talk about features. Monday.com offers a lot: task management, time tracking, automation, integrations. However, when you start looking at marketing-specific features, it may fall a bit short. Sure, it has templates, but they aren't as advanced as some marketing teams might need. It's versatile, but it's not built with marketers in mind from the get-go, especially for teams that need detailed reporting or client-facing features. The fourth thing to mention is scalability. As your marketing team grows, you may need something that scales with your operations. Monday.com does a decent job here, but there are limitations. The more advanced functionalities, like custom workflows or deep reporting, come at a premium price. You'll find yourself paying a lot more as your team gets larger or needs more robust features. Switching gears to Workzone. Well, not as flashy as Monday. Workzone positions itself as a more powerful tool for teams that need to focus on collaboration. It's less about making everything look pretty and more about making sure everything runs smoothly. The interface isn't as sleek as Monday.com's, but it's far more suited for complex projects where multiple teams need to collaborate. One of the standout features is its central workspace, which allows for easy document sharing and communication, perfect for marketing teams that need to stay aligned across different campaigns. Moving on to the fifth thing, Workzone shines when it comes to task management. Unlike Monday.com, which can feel a bit too simple for advanced project needs, Workzone offers granular control over project details. If your marketing campaigns require specific deadlines, feedback loops, or revision stages, Workzone's task management might be the better choice. It's more rigid, which could be seen as a positive or negative depending on how your team operates. But here's the downside. Workzone isn't the most user-friendly. It can take a while to master, and that learning curve can slow your team down, especially when compared to the quick adoption rate that Monday.com enjoys. And again, it doesn't have the same visual appeal, so if you're a fan of colorful boards and easy-to-understand dashboards, Workzone might not be your first choice. Lastly, if you're wondering about price, both platforms are on the expensive side. Monday.com has more tiered pricing, which might allow smaller teams to find a plan that works, but as you scale, you'll see the costs skyrocket. Workzone also offers tiered pricing, but because of its focus on enterprise-level features, you might end up paying a hefty price for a set of tools that's overkill for smaller teams. So, what's the verdict? Well, both Monday. And Workzone are solid tools for marketing teams, but if you're looking for a better alternative for managing complex marketing projects without breaking the bank, I've got a recommendation. After testing both of these platforms, I found something that might be better suited for teams like yours. Check out the link in the description for an exclusive free trial of a platform designed specifically to streamline your marketing processes, something that brings the best of both Monday.com and Workzone, but without the downsides. You'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else.